Today I share with you how I made this gorgeous snacks. This is just my first time trying this recipe. It was everything you need to try. I can't even believe that I get this done. The sweetness, the crunchy, everything about this snacks is just so mouth-watering. So everyone need to try this recipe. It was just so nice. You can easily see it, relax, and be just enjoying this snacks. It was so crunchy, as you can see. So sweetie, let me show you how this is being done. It's going to be your favorite ever. To begin, I'm going to be kneading all-purpose flour. I make use of just 1 pack of all-purpose flour, and that contains 3 cups. So all I do is to get that stream until everything come out nice like this. So then keep it aside. Now I'm going to be kneading nutmeg, then kneading baking powder, at the same time sugar. Then I add in salt to taste, then stir together. So after stirring everything, I have something like this. So what I do now is to add in butter. Over here we have melted butter. Next we need is just milk. So that is 1/2 cup of milk, and then add in water. So I make use of 1 cup of water, and this time guys, if you are making this, you have to be conscious of adding water. So you have to be adding it bit by bit like this. So this is me adding it. Just the more I mix it, the more I add in water. So don't just pour everything at once, because it's not going to be that strong and it's not going to be that soft. So for you to get everything nice, we are going to be adding the water little by little like this. So now I have transferred everything back to the wall surface. I notice it's that strong again. I just need to just as in 1 pan of water. So I just put that. Now I'm going to mix everything together until it come out like this. So this is me after mixing. You can see how draw that look. So you have to be just so fluffy. So that's at this point, all I do now is to take that together, and then I'm going to cover this to rest for 20 minutes before I come back. 20 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, it has becoming so soft. You can see that. So this is going to enable that to melt very well. So now I'm going to mix it again before I proceed. So after mixing it, I'm still going to cover it again for another 10 minutes. This mixing process is very important. If you mix it very well, it's going to be amazing for you. Just look at that after 10 minutes. You can see how soft that look. It was so fluffy at this point. So at this point, I'm ready to work on it. So what I do now is to divide that into 2 like this. So first one, I keep it aside. Then what I do now, I take the other one, then add in what they call it, flour on top of it. Then take my roller to roll that until it get white. So this rolling process, we are going to roll it and make sure that it was so flat, like it's going to be so flat like this. So this is me after rolling. You can see how flat that looks. So let me show you. You see that? So you have to be flat like this. You'll be like paper. Can you feel that? So once you get this achieved, all you do is just to take any cutter of your choice. So me, I'm going to use this now to cut it. So you can cut that with any shape you want. So yeah, so this is me just cutting it, and this cutting process was just so nice. I just love this shape. I bring about 3 to 4 shape, and it was so nice. So that was just it. So this one is the first batch. So this one is the second batch. I add everything together. So this is just how I'm going to cut all of it like this. You look at that. It was just so easy, at the same time it was everything nice. You can make this in a big quantity, give to the kids. They are going to appreciate you. Everyone around you that tastes this snack is going to love it. Now you are going to get that fry with hot oil. So this is me getting that fry. So I'm going to add everything inside the oil. So that is 2 times I get that fry. So this one is the first batch. Using my hand to spread it on top of the hot oil. So before you can add it inside oil, make sure that the oil is hot like this. You can notice if you're adding it inside the oil, it's going to be forming that beautiful ball. Like it's going to be blowing like this. So that is just it. So this is just so massive. Like this snack is so massive, and it was so nice. Like it was sweet. I can't believe that I get this fry for real. Like I just love this. And this is going to be the snacks I'm going to be easily making for my family, because we love eating snacks a lot, and this doesn't cost a lot to get it done, and it was everything massive. At this point, this one has fried, and it fries so amazing. So don't let it to get more burn. So this one is okay. You can see the color, it's just so nice. So this is just so perfect color you can work on. So just bring everything out from the oil, and then you have this gorgeous, oh my god, so this is just so beautiful. So after doing that, what I do now is to fry the next batch. See how gorgeous this look like. Before I even fry this, we don't the chop and they go, it's too sweet, like the dryness, the crunchy, everything it come with is everything nice. So this is me adding the second batch. I just have that, as in I just love the way this get fry, like the fryness is just giving me a lot of joy. I just have fun frying these snacks, guys. I have a lot of fun frying these snacks. It was so sweet, and like it sweets me so nice when I'm getting this fry. I just love how this just forming. I just love the reaction of this snacks. Like I just love the reaction. So that is it. At this point, it has fried again. So all I do now is to bring it out from the oil like this. Oh my goodness, have you shared this video? Don't tell me you are not going to try this, because if not, you are just going to miss it. All you need to do is to share and try this for your family. Everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this now. See how beautiful this look. You can use this for any occasion of your choice. Like if you are that kind of person, you want to do any occasion, you want to do small chop for your friends, you can easily add this for them, and it's going to be everything delicious, and they are going to appreciate you. This is one of the recipe you can easily get done for yourself. Just relax one corner of your house using this to settle down. Like once you are doing your job, you are just putting this in your mouth. It's going to enable your day be going so nice. This is just so massive. So all you have to do is to share this video. Go and try this out, because it's going to be everything you need to serve anyone around you. The kids, hobby, everyone is going to appreciate you for this. It dries so nice. Look at that beautiful sand. As make I leave this sand for you guys to feel the kind, as in, you need to feel it the same way I feel this, and you need to try it for your family. I love you guys. All you need to do is to share for you not to miss the process. In my next one, bye.